In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain and hosting in Hostinger and install WordPress. First, go ahead and open your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard, because this is where you'll manage both your domain and your hosting. If you're new to Hostinger, don't worry, the layout is fairly straightforward and everything you need is available from the left side panel. From that left panel, click on More Services or Marketing, depending on what appears in your account dashboard. This section is where you can access extra products and services, including domain registration. If your goal is to buy a domain name, click on Domains. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar where you can enter the domain name you want. Type in your preferred domain name carefully, then review the available options. In many cases, you'll see different domain extensions, such as .com, .net, or others. Choose the one that best fits your brand, business, or personal project. After selecting the domain you want, add it to your cart and continue by following the prompts on your screen. Hostinger will guide you through the checkout process, and you can simply move step by step until the purchase is complete. Now, if you want to buy hosting, go back and click on Hosting. You'll be shown different hosting plans, and each plan typically comes with different features, storage limits, and website capacity. Take a moment to choose the plan that best matches your needs. For example, if you're building a single website, a basic plan may be enough, but if you expect more traffic or want extra flexibility, you may prefer a higher tier option. Once you've decided, click on the hosting plan you want and follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the purchase. Make sure you review the billing period and included features before confirming, so you know exactly what you're getting. After your domain and hosting are ready, the next step is to install WordPress. In most Hostinger hosting setups, WordPress installation is available directly from the hosting dashboard. Look for the WordPress installer or website setup option. Start the installation and follow the guided process. This part is usually very quick, and Hostinger is designed to make it beginner-friendly. By the end of this process, you'll have your domain, your hosting, and WordPress installed, which means you're ready to start building your website. Take your time during each step, double-check your selections, and you'll have everything set up smoothly.